Hi guys, let me share you this what if. I've just made a video where I set a dirty way to get everything working. It's a package that we've created, and that's called, and you can get your ideas from that, sudo pacman -s. Don't do this on a system that you work on, do it in a virtual machine. arcolinux-on-the-road, right? It's an application, well, it's a package, and you can run this particular script that's in there and it will overwrite everything. But the idea here is start with Arch. Forget about EndeavourOS, forget about Garuda, forget about ArcoLinux, right? We start from the default Arch. Nobody can tell you that this is no longer Arch. You started with the ISO on the 1st of July. This case, look at the date, right? 1st of July, downloaded from archinstall.org. You typed in archinstall, made a video recently about it. Super simple. And then we get the ArcoLinux tweak tool in. We install some more packages and basically we're on Arch, right? But this is the dirty solution that I've shared with you lately, and this is what we're on. We are basically on an ArcoLinux. Everything I require is here. I've tested the ArcoLinux tweak tool again, right? So probably it for today, but I always say that and then start programming again, see something that I don't like and I want more. And the last thing I've done is actually some extra text down here. I think that's the very last thing, adding that it's installed, so you know by the text here that's installed and this is installed. Install termite, this will change here as well. And previous to that, I've set this change of choose the number of parallel downloads. You just click whatever you like, apply, boom, it's there. It's changed in the etcpacman.conf, so you can download stuff quicker. So that's the idea. Well, the idea is the what if is start with Arch. Go to the AOR, get the ArcoLinux tweak tool in, and what I've done is navigate through ArcoLinux tweak tool and set whatever I wanted to set. All right, go from the top and work your way down. Variety is there as well. Awesome is installed. Qtile, LeftWM, the themers, right? These guys are installed. And then desktop LeftWM is the default, as you see up here with this menu. Grub, we went to change the Grub theme, and as login I am on SDM now. Mirrors nothing changed. NeoFetch I changed to this, not really anything different. Show title gone, okay, a little bit different, fine. And then go to Pacman. Privacy, it's on. You just go down the list. My music plays. This time I've installed Pulse Audio from archinstall and not Pipewire, and then everything works fine. Bluetooth is connected, we're installed, we listen to the music, fine. I can get to the other, oh no, we haven't tested that one. I can get to the other computers. Let's go to Samba, browse network, there they are, all relevant machines. I can go to the ISO builder and go inside the Samba share, so everything works, and that's the point, right? There is no need for a distro. That's the message I'm trying to give here. If you have the knowledge to install the ArcoLinux ISO with archinstall, and then keep on adding, but not the inconvenient way, but the fast way, that you're up and running faster than sudo pacman every single time. Click, go over through it and see that you can add your printer to it, the Samba server, etc. It's all running, it's all working. The shell, if you want to change, we have our own bash completion, our own bash RC here. Those guys don't interest me. Haven't not installed this one, have installed that one, and voila, it's all a choice. Select them, install all of them or none of them, up to you. And if it's not possible to install them, you'll see that these checkboxes are just unchecked again. So everything is installed. Cool. Terminals and all that done, right? If you type ISO on ArcoLinux, you get a message. I've made a new one with double O. Try that one out, and you get then everything that's inside devrel, right? Arch rolling Arch Linux. So I still know, okay, this thing is not Arco, it's not Endeavor, it's not Garuda, right? It's Arch, pure Arch, and then keep on adding stuff with the ArcoLinux tweak tool. And don't forget, with this strange, dirty solution there, the ArcoLinux-on-the-road might be something for you. Everything is online as usual, package builds, GitHubs, they're all online. Check it out, how I do it, maybe that's something for you too. Cheers.